Hi guys, today we're going to be practicing my Halloween makeup. Guess what I'm going to be? Avatar! I'm so fucking excited. I've always wanted to do this. I never followed through with it, and I was like, this year we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. So I bought the Athena painting palette. This is an oil-based painting palette. These are oil-based paints, whatever. And then I also brought, this is the Beauty Glaze Color Fusion palette, and it has these gorgeous colors. So we're gonna use all of these things and we're gonna make ourselves blue. And if this is, can you talk? Are you okay? Are you having a stroke? If this is successful, my glasses are filthy, sorry, focus. If this is successful, I might try the pink version and then the brown version, maybe an orange version. I don't know, I'm just talking at this point. Anyways, let's get started. I was gonna watch Avatar as I'm doing my makeup, but I'm gonna watch a documentary on HBO. We're gonna watch the Alabama Solution. I don't want this to get on my lace because I don't know if it's gonna come out. Those are problems I would like to not have. So because of that, however my edges look is how my edges are going to look. I'm gonna go in and overly moisturize my face because the last thing I want is for this to be pilling up or flaking or whatever. So while I'm letting all of this soak in, what you have to do is warm up these paints. So some people do it on the back of their hand. I would rather not do that. So I'm gonna take this random ass box that's been sitting around and I'm gonna use this to warm it up. And I'm also just gonna use, actually no, I'm not gonna use that. I'm gonna use a popsicle stick. I don't know if I have to put primer on. Do you put primer on for this? To TikTok. Everybody's using primer, so we're just gonna go with that. I went and got some cheap, super cheap, beauty blenders from the dollar store because I'm not gonna buy real technique blenders and brushes for this shit. Hopefully it works out. If it doesn't, we'll go back to the drawing board. Okay, so first we're gonna go in with the lighter blue shade. This one, watcha. We're gonna go in with that. I'm just gonna peel up a chunk. How much? Just a guesstimation. I really don't know how much. And we're just gonna warm her up. What I mean by warm it up, they said like mix it around. Okay, and it turns into this like really creamy and very smooth texture, and that's what you want. So I'm just gonna slap this on my face and just hope for the best, in all honesty. We're gonna work with what we have for right now. I'm gonna take this pink one. Some people say use it dry, some people say use it wet. We're gonna try both. So we're gonna start with our forehead.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high.
So the verdict is a little goes a long way because my face is basically covered at this point. It is a little patchy, not patchy per se, but like I could probably go in with some more.
Lick it out to my temple. Right here, bring it out a bit on the cupid's bow, and
that's why the administration hates the recording. They see the dude the phone, and the lieutenant called the code.
I will say, this does take a lot of patience, a lot of blending. Let me put this on my neck because I look crazy. I look like the blue people that used to dance on America's Got Talent, and I also look like Violet from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory right now. So trust the process.
She wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good, ain't home, is sorry. They say conversation, rule the nation. I can tell.
My base is done. I kind of want to drag it down even further. Damn it, I got some on me. Well, we'll find out if this comes out of clothes today, I guess. You know who I look like? Big Fat Liar! That's who I look like! Alright. Yes, we're gonna mix the lighter blue and the white. Because I don't really want to just do full on white, but I just want to do like a lighter blue. But I might have to do just full on white. I'm gonna take another chunk of white. I want this to be super light. Fuck, I mixed the white and the blue.
Heck.
Okay, yeah, this is good.
I was trying so hard to do.
Wish I had a tail. I'm so excited! I can't wait to call somebody and they be like, Trinity, what the fuck? I'm gonna call my mom, actually. Actually, I can't wait for my grandma to get home. Because she's actually gonna be like, what the hell? I'm gonna get it on video. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of white in the inner corners of it. Just to make it, you know. Okay, yeah. I'm just gonna take a little bit of white. I'm just gonna put it off over here. Because I literally just need a little bit. Y'all don't understand how excited I've been to do this all week. Like, I've been itching. I was supposed to wait until like next week to buy it, and I was like, no, buy it now. I'm so happy. I'm just gonna go on my fingers just to blend it out some more. I just want it to be very smooth, and I can't necessarily tell if it is or not. I have my glasses on. But this is very fun, I will say this. I'm definitely enjoying myself. Next, we're gonna go in with this dark blue, this navy blue, and this is gonna be my contour shade. Same thing, just gonna warm this bad boy up. I'm actually gonna go in with the brushes so I can have a more precise application when it comes to the contour. I want to make my nose bigger, and I'm gonna contour my, what is this called? Crease. I'm gonna put it on my lip too. Big lips. On our chin. Drag that down. Drag that down. Hey guys, I'm so excited! I'm gonna take a smaller puff and I'm going to blend out the contour on my nose. Oh no, it's coming up. Oh no, oh no, oh no, that's not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted. I don't want it to come up. I want it to blend. Again, this is not a project that you can just rush through. You need time. I'm gonna go in again with this light blue for the highlight. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. This is what we're working with. Next, I'm going to take the airspun powder. Now, normally I'm very careful with this. Today, we will not be. I don't think this is a clear powder, but a translucent powder. I'm gonna take this big brush and just wipe it off. Now I'm gonna go in with a dark brown, dark blue, navy blue. I'm gonna go in with this color, and I'm going to do some more contour.
It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, say our time, we're making up time. The times you wasn't really waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone without you. So complex, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've been having that time. Take you there, I'll show you something, give you more than words. We've been having this place on earth. Take you there, take you there. Please be don't tease me, nothing give me that pleasure. I want you to give it to me, yeah. Please be don't tease me, nothing give me that pleasure. I want you to give it to me, yeah.
I'm gonna take this fluffy brush and I'm gonna blend out the edges of these.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them
Okay, maybe I shouldn't blend it out like that because now it's kind of smudging, so we're gonna figure that one out.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you off. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good, game home is sorry. They say conversation.
I'm mixing in pinks now so I can do my nose.
You can get it, you can get it, you can get it.
A pink with the same brush just because I'm lazy, and I'm just gonna set it. Okay, I can't use the same brush actually. Let's use this because oh, maybe I should put it on my neck too. That would make sense.
Taking over my
Okay, y'all, I did my eyeliner. Next, I'm going to start with the little white dots. Now, this is where I'm scared because I don't really know where to put them. Y'all, I done fucked up already.
Where'd you go? Girl, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel seductive in this you touch. I needed to.
They really are just like scattered across their faces, so I literally just put it a little bit of everywhere. I made a diamond, I made a heart. Like, you can really play with it. I don't think I'm gonna put mascara under my eyes, actually. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and put my lashes on. And then I think we're done with this look, y'all. Like, this is so crazy to me. I'm gonna like do a couple braids in my hair too, just to like make it a little fun. And I'm gonna come back. I'm so excited! I wasn't recording this whole time. I thought I was recording. I'm so sorry. Literally, I added my lashes. I did, and I added white liner, like white liquid liner. This is the Ruby Kisses white liquid liner. I did that on my tight line, and then I added it to my inner corner, and I followed the wing. So it's just white. And that's it. That's it. The lashes I'm using are the I Envy Luxury Mink in #1. This is it, guys. This is my Halloween costume. Oh my fucking god, I'm about to go to Spirit Halloween right now and go get the jumpsuit.